Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay, so are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. So, today in agricultural science, we are going to be learning about livestock production and animal husbandry. Okay? Our topic for today in agricultural science is on livestock production and animal husbandry. Livestock production involves raising and taking care of animals on a farm for various purposes, such as obtaining food, clothing, or other products. Animal husbandry is the practice of caring for and managing animals to ensure their well-being and productivity. It involves providing animals with proper food, shelter, and health care. Okay? So we're going to be looking at different animals and how to care for them. Cattle. How do you care for cattle? Housing. Construct sturdy, well-ventilated shelters for protection from extreme weather. Provide a sturdy, well-ventilated shelter for cattle to protect them from extreme weather conditions like rain, cold, and heat. Ensure there is enough space for each animal to stand, lie down, and move comfortably. Keep the shelter clean and dry to prevent health issues and discomfort for cattle. Feeding. Cattle primarily graze on grass supplemented with hay, grains, and minerals. Allow cattle access to land for grazing. They feed on grass. Provide supplementary food such as hay, grains, and minerals to ensure they receive a balanced diet. Make sure there is constant supply of clean and fresh water. Proper health care such as vaccination and deworming. Regularly check the health of the cattle. Arrange for vaccination and deworming as needed. Handle cattle gently to reduce stress and prevent injury to both the animal and yourself. Mark each animal for identification and record keeping. So these are the proper way to take care of cattle. The next animal we're going to be looking at is sheep. How do we take care of sheep? Housing. Simple, dry shelters are suitable. Protection from extreme cold is crucial. Provide a simple, dry shelter for sheep to protect them from extreme weather, especially heavy rain and cold. Ensure there is enough space for each sheep to move around comfortably and lie down. Proper ventilation in the shelter is important. Feeding. Sheep graze on grass and hay, supplemented with grains and minerals. Allow sheep to graze on land. They feed on grass and other plants. You also provide supplementary food like grains. Provide clean, fresh water at all times. Provide regular health checks. Regularly check the health of the sheep. Look for signs of illness and consult a doctor if it's needed. Sheep need to be sheared to remove their wool, usually once a year, to keep them comfortable and prevent overheating. Implement a deworming schedule to protect sheep from internal parasites. Ensure the land is enclosed with suitable fencing to keep the sheep safe and prevent them from wandering. So these are the proper ways to take care of sheep. Okay? Next, we're going to be looking at poultry. How do we take care of chickens? Housing. Coops should be secure, well ventilated, and predator proof. Provide a clean and secure chicken coop or shelter to protect them from predators and harsh weather conditions. You install nesting boxes for hens to lay eggs. Ensure proper ventilation to maintain good air quality. Feeding. Offer a mix of grains, pellets, and kitchen scraps. Provide balanced chicken feed, which contain essential nutrients, including proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Offer clean, fresh water at all times. Chickens need water to digest and stay hydrated. Chickens can also eat kitchen scraps like leftover bread in moderation. Provide health checkup and collect eggs regularly. Regularly check the health of the chickens. Implement a deworming schedule and vaccination program as recommended by a poultry veterinarian. Collect eggs daily to prevent them from getting dirty and to ensure their freshness. Clean the coop regularly to prevent disease and maintain a healthy environment. You store the eggs in a cool and dry place. You secure the coop with strong locks and fencing to protect chickens from predators. Okay? So these are the proper way to take care of chickens. Do we get that? Good. So the next animal we are going to be looking at is pigs. How do we take care of pigs? Housing. Pig pens should be well drained and sheltered from the elements. Provide a clean, secure pig pen or shelter with enough space for pigs to move around comfortably. Ensure the pen offers protection from extreme weather such as rain, sun, cold. Ensure proper drainage in the pen to prevent mold and standing water. Feeding. Pigs are omnivores. Their diet consists of grains, vegetables, and protein sources. Pigs need balanced diets, including a mixture of grains, vegetables, and protein source. Ensure a constant supply of clean, fresh water. Pigs drink a lot, so water availability is crucial. Health checkups, sorry, health checkups, good hygiene, and regular vaccinations. Regularly check the health of the pigs. Okay? Arrange for vaccination and deworming as needed. Keep the pig pen clean to prevent disease and maintain pig comfort. Handle pigs gently to minimize stress and reduce the risk of injury. Knowing this, we have gotten an idea on how to take care of pigs, right? Good. So the next animal we are going to be looking at is goats. How do you take care of goats? Housing. Build secure shelters for protection from harsh weather conditions. Provide a simple dry shelter to protect them from extreme weather, such as heavy rain and cold. Ensure there is enough space for them to move comfortably and lie down properly. Proper ventilation in the shelter is important to maintain good air quality. Feeding. Goats are browsers and gaze on various plants. Supplement with hay and minerals. They feed on grass and plants. Provide supplemental feed, including hay, grains, and minerals. Provide clean water at all times. Regular deworming and vaccination. Always check the health of the goats. Implement a deworming schedule and vaccination program. So these are the proper ways to care for goats. Okay, so the next animal we are going to be looking at is horses. How do you care for horses? Housing, stables with clean bedding. Provide clean and well ventilated stable. Use clean, comfortable bedding such as straws. Ensure safe, steady fencing to enclose the land and prevent horses from wandering. Feeding. Feed horses a balanced diet of hay, grains, and fresh water. Horses should have access to good quality hay. The amount depends on their age and activity level. Supplement with grain and provide clean, fresh water at all times. Veterinary care. Regularly check the health of the horses, including their teeth, body condition. Ensure horses get regular exercise. Okay? So we now know how to take care of horses, right? That's good. Today's lesson on livestock production and animal husbandry. We have learned how to take care of different animals, right? Good. So we are going to be looking at our assignment. It's easy, right? Good.